Hey there, real estate buyers and sellers. This is your latest market update with data from the Atlanta Board of Realtors, CoreLogic, and National Inflationary Statistical Ratings. I'm Brew Krabs, your local real estate expert here in Atlanta with the latest of what's going on in our market right now. The real estate market continues to be complex, interesting, and an exciting place to be. As always, it's important to be well informed, understand what you're buying or selling, and where you're buying or selling in order to make the best real estate choices for you. As your local expert here in Atlanta, I appreciate your tuning in to find out the latest of what's happening here. And should you have any questions, please comment those below and I'll be more than happy to get you the answers. But be sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video so you'll know what the best rates and strategies are for your real estate needs in today's real estate market. On my channel, we provide regular market updates, insights into what types of properties you can buy at different price points, local restaurant reviews, information about our neighborhoods, pros and cons of living in Atlanta, tips for buying and selling your home, tips for maximizing your investment dollar, and so much more. Now let's dig into the data. As we've all seen, inflation has been ticking up over the last couple of years, coming from 0.329% in April of 2020 to over 9% in June of 2022. Nationally, real estate prices have continued to tick up, but as you can see, it's a very mixed board. Georgia is leading the value gain and outpacing inflation quite considerably, with home prices in Georgia increasing 22.9% year over year. Real estate continues to be an extremely strong investment, not only beating out inflation, but also outpacing those increasing interest rates. According to the Atlanta Board of Realtors market data, in June of 2022, there were 6,745 total sales, 10,604 active listings. The average sales price was $522,500. There were 10,063 new listings and 1.6 months supply of inventory, and the median home price was $435,000. Looking a little bit more closely at a total monthly sales of 6,745 units, we see that's a 19.6% decrease from the same time in 2021. This probably doesn't come as much of a surprise given the lack of home sale inventory we've had and we've seen since the beginning of 2022. However, median home sales prices have continued to increase 17.6% to $435,000. Similarly, average sales prices have increased 16.6% to $522,500. As I think most everybody's noticed, inventories have been very limited over the last year and few months, but now we're starting to see an increase, heading back towards a more normal level. This means there are more homes available for buyers out there, and we're not seeing quite as much of that multiple offer bidding war situation that we've seen plaguing the marketplace over the last year. June saw inventories increase from the levels of 2021 by 5.5% to 10,063 homes. June also saw a 30.5% increase in active listings to 10,604. As you can see, prices have continued to increase in a very strong fashion, and now we're starting to see those inventories increase with more options for buyers out there in the marketplace. This is providing much more opportunity for folks who are looking to sell their homes and move up to a new one, as well as those folks who are looking to get out of that rental situation and purchase their first home without having those tremendous struggles we've seen over the last year. Real estate continues to significantly outpace inflation and prove itself to be much more of a valuable investment than stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and all those other volatile investments we're seeing in this inflationary period. Feel free to reach out to me anytime by text or phone too if you'd like some more discussion on what's happening and where are the best places to invest your money in real estate today. Of course, we can't talk about real estate without talking about those interest rates. It seems the market is now becoming more acclimated to these more normal rates. You know, in the past few years, we've seen artificially low mortgage rates, around 2 and 3%. And now we're starting to see what's considered to be more of a normal market, around 6%. In general, interest rates typically run about 1 to 2% more than the inflation rate in order to quell those inflationary fears and growth. So we expect those long-term rates to continue to tick up. You probably saw the Fed increase their rate 0.75% at the end of July, which will eventually trickle down to your long-term rates. Your 30-year mortgage rates are around 5.9% and your 15-year rates around 4.68%. Given the comparison with inflation, the tax advantages of purchasing a home, and the interest deductions, it still makes home purchasing an extremely attractive investment for your money. Besides, you gotta have a place to live. Of course, all investments are complex, and real estate is probably one of the most complex investments out there. It's very important that you have an experienced professional in the real estate market in which you're looking to buy or sell so that you can be guided towards the best decisions to reach your real estate goals. I get direct calls all the time of people looking to buy and sell in the Atlanta in-town markets like Buckhead, Midtown, 4th Ward, Inman Park, and well, really anywhere inside the perimeter. So if you have any questions about these markets, please feel free to call or text me directly. I also work with the best agents nationwide. So if you happen to be looking for more information in the markets outside of Atlanta's in-town real estate market, I'm happy to direct you to the right qualified professional who can help you meet or exceed all of your real estate goals that you may be looking to accomplish. Just leave me a comment, shoot me a text, or give me a call. My direct number is right here in the description along with this video too. I hope you found this to be some great and valuable information and some good insight into what's happening in the Atlanta in-town real estate market right now. I have new videos coming out all the time, so be sure you subscribe to my channel and click that little bell button to be notified as soon as they come out. And if you like this video, I know you're gonna love the next one that pops up on your screen.